Hi guys, I'm your host of the channel Montessori with Illustrations. Today we have brought a booklet of words for you. And if you are new on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to have more videos. Thank you. Okay, so we have made the booklet of birds, and through this booklet you can give easily information about the birds, different birds. So we have chosen these birds. Swan. This is a swan. Okay, in very interesting way we can give the knowledge of the birds like that. Okay, so you can give the knowledge. Swans that live on fresh water typically enjoy pondweed, stonewort, and vegan grass. They also like eating insects and tadpoles. Okay, so swans live up to their reputation of being very beautiful birds. Their elongated curved necks and wild feathers stand out amongst the lakes they reside on. Swans can sleep on either land or the water. They have the option of sleeping while standing on one leg or while floating in the water. Swans are gentle and defensive animals. By nature, they have their rare moments of aggression. So this is a knowledge of swan. You can give the knowledge about swan through the booklet of the swan. And this project is not only helpful for the persons who are doing the Montessori course, it is also helpful for the mothers who want to give the knowledge, different knowledge to their children. Okay, so this is the owl. The next is the owl. They are active at night. As you know, owl has big, curious eyes and makes a unique hoot sound. They can screech, hiss, and even growl. So you can tell children about the sound of the birds also. Okay. So this is the booklet of the owl. Okay, what's coming out next? Eagle. Eagle. Alamay global is the most eagle. Okay, so you can give the knowledge about the eagle by making the booklet of the eagle. Eagles are a type of bird that is called a bird of prey. They are expert flyers and are known for their excellent hunting abilities. They are known for their heavy heads, hairy heads, and large hooked beaks, strong and powerful legs, and sharp talons. Eagles are covered in feathers. Eagles can be found all over the world, with more than 60 different species in Eurasia and Africa. Few tribes live in America and Australia. They have excellent eyesight, which helps them to be able to spot a potential meal from far up in the sky. तो शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर. Okay, this is the booklet of the eagle. So what's coming out the next? Wow, dove. Do you use the soap of dove? Okay, so pigeons and doves are likely the most common birds in the world. They are distributed everywhere. They are stout-billed birds with short necks and short, slender bills. The wings are large, having 2 primary feathers, and have low wing loadings. Doves are excellent navigators and use both the magnetic field of the planet and the position of the sun to find their way. They have a variety of songs and calls that they use to find mates, signal danger, and defend territories. So this is all about the dove. What's coming out next? Sparrow. So the next is the sparrow. Sparrow is a very small bird. Sparrow has a stout body covered with brown, black, and white feathers. Its wings are rounded. Okay. Sparrows are very social and they live in colonies called flocks. They usually build nests under the roofs, under bridges, and in tree hollows. Sparrows are not territorial animals, but they will aggressively protect their nest from other sparrows. Although sparrows do not belong to the group of warbirds, they can swim very fast to escape from the predators. Okay, so this is the booklet of birds. Okay, so you can make this booklet like that, and if you have any idea to make this booklet more better, and if you want another type of booklet or any idea related to Montessori, you can ask us, comment us. Keep in touch with the Montessori illustration. Thank you. Bye bye.